Here I have UMI Touch, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern or a password protection on that device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing a power key. Let me switch off the device, tap power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. So keep holding both keys, power key and volume down. Release them as soon as the UMI logo pops up in front of you, and let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, as you can see, the factory Chinese mode just pops up, so here you can navigate by using volume down. Let's highlight clear eMMC. The whole menu is Chinese, but it's easy to find clear eMMC, and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is erasing all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. Let's just be patient, wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, and as you can see, there is no pattern or a password protection, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.